Behold, I give you power over all the power of the enemy, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. Tonight, authority is released. Victory is established. Satan has fallen like lightning. Your name is thunder in the night. Your presence turns my fear to light. Every stronghold shakes at your command. My victory rests in your